everybody. So, welcome back, and today we are going to make a simple grilled cheese sandwich. And so, we are going to need a cutting board, tongs, a knife, a plate, bread, and Kobe Jack cheese, and a grill. And today there's a special guest that's gonna help me. It's Mr. White. And so let's get started. So first we're going to open the bread, and I'm using white bread. This is what it looks like. And it's your choice. You can use white bread, or you can use a different type of bread. But I'm gonna go for white. So you can cut the crust now or later. So I'm gonna cut it now. And be careful with these knives. And if you're too little to cut with these, just ask your parents. Okay. I'm just gonna leave these right here, aside. So when you're using the grill, you turn the grill to 300 degrees. Okay. So I'm gonna put these in. So I'm gonna put these aside. Okay. So now what we're going to be doing is we are going to open the cheese. So I recommend Kobe Jack cheese. So you can put 2 slices, like one here and one here, or you could just do one. I'm going to do one. There. And then what you do is you put the lid on. And then you check it, after a couple of minutes. I think 1 minute has passed. So we are going to take the top slice of bread and put it on top. Then you flip it, and I think it needs a little bit more time. And then you put the lid on. And we will come back in a minute. Okay, so it has been 4 minutes and it is done. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the lid off, and then I'm gonna just turn this off. Then I'm gonna use my tongs and pick it up. So every minute, you always wanna flip it, so none of the sides get burned. And it is done, and enjoy.